Welcome back to Life Hacks AI, where we explore the most innovative ways to enhance your career. In today's episode, we're going to unveil how you can use ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI, to supercharge your job search and help you land the job of your dreams. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool to help craft a standout resume. You can input your job experiences and qualifications and let the AI enhance your descriptions. For instance, managed a team of 5 sales associates can become spearheaded a sales team of 5, driving a 20% increase in annual sales. Let's not forget about cover letters. Provide some background to ChatGPT and let it generate a compelling narrative. Rather than just saying, "I'm interested in the job," ChatGPT can help craft a tailored statement like, "I'm particularly drawn to this role due to the opportunity it provides for impactful innovation in the renewable energy sector." Get tailored career advice right from ChatGPT. Whether you're curious about the skills needed for a data scientist or the career path for a software engineer, ChatGPT can provide real-time insights that guide your career choices. If you input, "What skills are important for a data scientist?" Key skills for a data scientist include proficiency in programming languages like Python or R, understanding of machine learning algorithms, knowledge of databases and SQL, and ability to communicate complex data insights clearly. What's the career path for a software engineer? A typical career path might start with a junior software engineer role, progressing to a software engineer, then senior software engineer. From there, individuals often move into lead roles or into managerial roles such as an engineering manager or director of engineering. With ChatGPT, you can practice job interviews until you're completely confident. It can provide common questions, like, "Can you describe a project you led from initiation to completion, including the challenges you faced and how you overcame them?" You can rehearse answering these until you're ready for the real deal. If you ask it, "Can you give me a common interview question for a project manager role?" Sure, how about this one? "Can you describe a project you led from initiation to completion, including the challenges you faced and how you overcame them?" How about, "What's a good answer to tell me about a time you faced a challenge at work?" An effective response could be, "At my previous job, we were on a tight deadline for a major client project. When a team member unexpectedly fell ill, I took on their responsibilities in addition to my own, ensuring we didn't fall behind schedule. This was challenging but reinforced the importance of adaptability and teamwork." Want to learn a new skill? ChatGPT is your tutor. From the basics of Python programming to resources for mastering digital marketing, ChatGPT is there to guide your learning journey. For example, can you explain the basics of Python programming? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its readability. Its basic constructs include variables, data types, control flow structures like loops and conditionals, and functions. Or ask it for resources. "Can you give me resources to learn digital marketing?" Sure. Check out online platforms like Coursera and Udemy. They offer comprehensive courses on digital marketing, including SEO, SEM, content marketing, and social media marketing. Networking is critical in a job search. Use ChatGPT to draft outreach messages or emails, transforming, "I'm looking to connect with you because we share interests in," to, "I was excited to come across your profile, as we share a common interest in renewable energy innovations, and I'm eager to learn from your vast experience." Job searches can be stressful. But remember, ChatGPT can provide motivation and strategic advice. When the going gets tough, remember every no is one step closer to the right yes. Stay persistent and continue to improve your skills and applications. I understand it's a challenging process, but remember, every no is one step closer to the right yes. Stay persistent and continue to improve your skills and applications. Everyone has unique strengths. Reflect on times you've excelled or felt most motivated at work. What skills were you using? Recognizing your own value can help others see it too. The job hunt is a journey, and with AI tools like ChatGPT by your side, you can navigate it effectively. From resume writing to interview preparation to continuous learning, ChatGPT is your companion on this exciting path. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, while AI aids your job search, it complements your efforts. Your passion, commitment, and skills are the keys to your dream job. Stay tuned for more insights on leveraging AI in your career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy job hunting!